Hello everyone, welcome to the knowledge transfer. So this is the part 4 of learning SQL, and today we are going to learn what are the operators in SQL. And if you did not watch previous videos like basic of SQL queries and definitions, please go and watch. Yeah, there are 7 operators in SQL: arithmetic operator, relational operators, comparison operators, concatenation operators, logical operators, special operators, subqueries operators. So now let's discuss each one step by step and with the example of queries also. Now let's discuss arithmetic operators. In the arithmetic operators, there are three: addition, subtraction, and multiply. Now let's discuss each one step by step. First query: write a query to display employee salary, commission, and salary plus commission. Here are the addition query. This is the addition query. Now let's execute practically. Already we know how to create a table. Already I have a table. If you don't know, please go and watch part 1, part 2, part 3 videos. Okay. Select here given employee salary and commission. Here are the salary. This is the salary and this is the commission. Okay. Commission and last one is addition. Salary plus commission. Yeah. This is the addition operator. Salary plus commission. Yeah. Some of have null values here. There is no commission for some employees. Yeah, here also same like 1600 and commission is 300. Both have addition and 1900 is the result. So these are the how write a query to display addition operator. Okay. Now next one is subtraction. So employee salary, commission and salary minus commission. Same like previous query, but here only change is operator. Here only change is minus from EMP. Yeah, this is the previous table and this is the subtraction table. This is how gonna write the subtraction and addition. And next one is multiply. Multiply also same like that. Just change the operator. Sorry. Sal commission sal into commission rate. Yeah. This is how working arithmetic operators. And now next one is relational operators. In relational operators, we have greater than, less than, and greater than, equal to, and less than, equal to, right? So now let's write a query practically. So the first query is write a query to display details of employees. Already we know if we want to display details of employees, we're gonna select start from EMP. So it will display details of employees. And they are earning more than 2000 rupees per month. So in this query, the employees who getting more than 2000 rupees per month. So we need to display their details. So more than means here we're gonna use greater than, right? Yeah. Select start from EMP and where salary greater than 2000 rupees. Yeah, these are the details who getting more than 2000 rupees. Yeah, now second query. Write a query to display details of employees earning less than 2000 rupees per month. So same like previous query, but here gonna change the less than. Okay. Yeah. Select the star from EMP where salary less than 2000 rupees. Yeah. These are the who getting less than 2000 rupees. Uh, here are the greater than 2000 rupees. And now next query is write a query to display details of employees earning more than equal to 1500. So earning more than equal to, here we gonna use this one, greater than equal to. Select a star from EMP where salary greater than equal to 2000 rupees. Yeah. And the next query is write a query to display details of employees earning less than or equal to. Gonna use this one. Select a star from EMP where salary less than equal to 2000 rupees. Yeah, these are the less than equal to 2000 rupees. So, sorry, actually 1500 here given, no problem. This is how working relational operators. And the next one is comparison operators. In the comparison operators, equal to, not equal to, and already we completed this greater than and less than. And later we will discuss about this less than and greater than, because after joins it is more useful. Then we will discuss it later. Now let's discuss only equal to and not equal to. Okay. First query is write a query to display name and salary of employees who working in department 20. So now let's execute practically. Select e-name and salary from EMP where department number equal to or yeah, 20. Here we using equal to operate. Department number equal to 20. Yeah. Smith, Johnson, Scott, Ford. Yeah. Those guys are working in department 20. Now next query. Write a query to display name and salary from employees who working in department 20. So here are the same previous query, but we gonna use not equal to. Actually, the question has some mistake. Those who are not working here, those who are not working here in department 20. So we're gonna use not equal to. Let rename sal from EMP where department number. So here we're gonna use not equal to 20. Yeah, these are the list of those who are not working in department 20. This is the comparison operators. And the next one is concatenation operator. So this is the symbol of concatenation. Concatenation means is simple, just adding like for example Let's discuss practically. Write a query to display employee name and concatenation of Raju. For example, uh, for example, here are the king. So I want to add King Raju. So adding end of the name, one more name. So at the time we gonna use concatenation. Now let's execute practically. You will understand more clear. Select, select ename. Ename means employee name, ename, and here concatenation of Raju. Ename, comma, concatenation Raju, and here gonna write output from EMP where ename equal to king. Sorry. Yeah. So this is how concatenation. So actually here I did a one mistake. It, this comma. So don't give comma here. And see, actual name is king. Actual name is king. But with using concatenation, I had Raju at the end of the name. Raju king. So this is how concatenation works. Logical operators. In the logical operators, there are three: and, or, and not. So we will discuss only two queries here, that is and or. So not, or we will discuss it later, not, because in the special operator also we have not in, and one more is not. These three are same. So that's why for more clearance, I will discuss it later when the point comes to special operators. Okay. Yeah. Now write a query to display employee employee name, job of the employees who working as a clerk in department 10. Okay. We'll write a query practically. Select e-name, job from EMP. Mm, working as clerk. It means job, right? And department 10. So where job equal to clerk, and here we using and operator, and department number equal to 10. So this is the and operator. Yeah, only one member are working as a clerk in department number 10. Okay, this is how working and operator. Same like or operator also. Write a query to display employee name, department number of the employees if the works in department number 10 or department number 20. Okay, select e-name and department number, right? Uh, part number, and if the works in depart number 10 or 20. Okay, from EMP where depart number equal to uh, 10 or here using or operator, and depart number 20. Yeah, Smith, Jones, Clark, Scott, King, Ford, Miller. Only these guys are working in department number 20 and or 20 or 10. Right. Yeah. This is the AND operator and OR operator. Now we're going to discuss special operators. So special operators in, not in, between, not between, and is not, like, not like. Okay. So first we will discuss about in. So write a query to display name, job of employees who working manager clerk. So write a practically select in name and job. Name and job from EMP where job in. So here I'm using in operator. So this is the in operator. So job in, one is manager and clerk. Manager and comma one more clerk. This is the simple way of displaying two jobs, manager and clerk, using in operator. Yeah, clerk, manager, manager, clerk, clerk. So this is the how working in operator. And the next one is not in. Yeah, write a query to display name, depart number of employees who not working in depart number 20 or 30. It's same like previous, but the change is only depart number. So name and depart and number from EMP where depart number not in. Here I using not in operator. Not in um, not in 20, or the given in question 20 or 30. 20 or 30. Yeah. Except 20, 30 depart numbers here only given 10. So this is how working not in operate. So there is no 20 depart number and 30 depart number. Here only displayed who working in depart number 10. So this is how working not in operator. One is between. So between operator. So write a query to display employee name, salary of employees who are earning between 1500 and 3000. So here are the query is select e-name, employee name and salary. Salary from EMP where salary between 1500 and 3000, right? 1500 and 3000. Yeah. So in the between salary 1500 to 3000, this is the list of between 1500 and 3000. There are 8 rows. And the same like for not between also. Write a query to display employee name salary of employees who are not working in the range of 1000 and 3000. Here is the only small difference. Select name and salary from EMP where where salary not between 1000 and 3000. 1000 or yeah 1000 and 3000. Yeah, only two members, King and James. This is how working between and not between operators. So next one is operator. Yeah, name commission and who are not getting commission. So we need to display who are not getting the commission. Select ename and comma commission, right? Yeah, from EMP where commission is null. Where commission is null. Those who are not getting the commission. Yeah, this is the list of who not getting the commission. Commission is zero, null. And next one is not. Is not. Write a query to display name commission of employees who are getting commission. So this query also same like previous, but don't confuse. Here we use is null. Okay. Here we using is not. Okay. For example, select ename and commission from EMP where commission is not null. Just reverse. Only these guys are getting the commission per monthly. And is null means those who are not getting the commission, they're getting zero commission per monthly. Okay. These guys are getting commission. This is how working is and is not. Okay. Don't confuse. It's just reverse. Is not means those who are getting. Is means those who are not getting. Okay. And the next one is like. Like means write a query to display name of the employees whose name starting with character S. So here uh, whose name starting with the letter of S. We need to display S letter starting with S letter. Select ename from EMP where name equal to like where name like uh, S and we're gonna use percentage. This is the syntax of like starting starting of S, right? Yeah, character S starting with character S. So this is the query of yeah only two members in the list. Those who are starting with S, Smith and Scott. For example, I need I need to display those who are ending with S. Those who are ending with S letter. From EMP where ename like. So here just reversing, I'm gonna use first percentile. Okay. So the difference is only if you want starting letter S, then use S percentile. If you want end of the letter, end of the name who have ended with S letter, then use like this. First write percentile and S. Yeah. Here also there are two members who ending with S, Johns and James. This is how working like. And the next one is not like. So write a query to display name of the employees whose name does not start with character S. So select ename from EMP where ename not like. Here the operator is not like. Okay, not like S percentile. So those who are starting with S percentile. So I don't want that names. I need own except starting with S. I need the list of names who does not starting with S. This is how working, not like. Yeah, yeah, these are the operators in SQL. And in the next video, we will discuss about functions. Like there are two types of functions, single line function and one more is multi-line function. And and later we will discuss about joins also. So these are the basic level queries and definitions. So yeah, thanks for watching and follow for more updates.